and welcome back to today's Design in 5. So today I'm gonna finish up a bedroom that I've been decorating now since the beginning of COVID, and it's been taking forever for furniture to come in. But now that I have everything, there's still something missing. So let me show you the before picture. All right, so now that you see that, I also want to show you a mirror that I'm going to refurbish and take it from one side of my house to the other, but we're going to totally change it up and make this plain drab mirror into a blinged out spectacular that's going to finish off this bedroom. I'm going to use this premium Krylon metallic paint on top of that mirror, and then we're going to spray it with this clear glaze and put these decals that I got from Amazon for like $6 actually, and we're going to bling that mirror out and finish off that room. Follow me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, so I finished the spray painting and it turned out pretty good. I brought it in, and as you can see, I've changed clothes on y'all because I dry overnight. So let me give you a close up, and then we're gonna finish this bad boy off. So I've removed all the tape, cleaned up the glass, and now I'm about to take these peel and stick decals. They're mirror, so you're gonna see them when I peel the sticky back off of them. The sticky back off of them. And I'm gonna put them around the perimeter of the mirror, okay? And so once I'm done, what you're gonna see is some bling on this now basic silver background. I'm gonna get started and show you the first one, and then I'm gonna finish the rest off camera. Nails, you see I need to use this cutting device again to get the sticky off. And I really wanna show you guys the sparkliness or the crystal clarity of the mirrors. These are very cheap. Remember I said I paid probably $6 for 30 of these off of Amazon. And I'll link everything that we used in this video in the comments below. So that's going to be really pretty on top of the kind of matte silver background. So that was just the top, and then we're going to take the sticky part off the back. And look, I'm going to trust that this is sticky enough to withhold. This mirror won't be in a high traffic area of my home, so I think the sticky on here will be sufficient. However, you can always reinforce this with a hot glue gun if you need to. Okay. All right. So we got the sticky off. This is a Greek key, by the way, if you guys wanted to know what this design is. I'm just gonna take it, and it's almost perfect size, and just stick it to the mirror. I'm not using any rhyme or reason, so I hope I can get all of these straight. First one down, and hopefully you guys can see that. Off camera, I'm gonna finish and go around the entire perimeter, and the next time you see this mirror, it's gonna be in place in the bedroom that it's going to live in. And the mirror is done. It's quite different than it was when we started. Definitely more detail, definitely more bling, and I like it. Let me know in the comments if you like it as well. And also, if you want to see more Design in 5s from the Lipstick Journal, make sure to like and follow on Instagram.